Common types of computer viruses. Number 1. File infectors infect executable files and spread when the infected file is run or opened. Number 2. Boot sector viruses infect the boot sector of a storage device, making the virus load whenever the device is booted. Number 3. Macro viruses infect macro-enabled files, such as Microsoft Office documents, and spread when the file is opened. Number 4. Email viruses spread through email attachments or infected links and often spread themselves to the contacts in the infected person's email address book. Number 5. Ransomware encrypts a user's data and demands payment in exchange for the decryption key. Number 6. Worms self-replicating malware that spreads rapidly through networks, often causing harm to network performance. Number 7. Spyware tracks a user's online activity and collects sensitive information without the user's knowledge or consent. Number 8. Adware displays unwanted ads and pop-ups on a user's computer,